Just call me Tito. Just call me
Hija, my lovely señorita. When you smile it makes my day go so much brighter. But your legs are just enough to set the world on fire. Just call me Tito.